What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is about 3 stocks to buy right now. Matter of fact, I'm feeling good today, so I might give you more than 3. But listen, guys, if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, what a pretty decent day in the market today. I'm up over 4.5%, made about $7,000 on the day alone. Guys, that is the power of the stock market. And this is why I hope you guys are not selling out of your plays at a loss. As I often say, you never lose money in the stock market unless you sell. I hope you see without making any moves, your portfolio is already bouncing back at the hint of a good day. And so you have to put that in a larger scale and look at it from a macro point of view and understand that all your down plays will come roaring back and go higher than they were before. But anyway, guys, I got a jam-packed one for you today, as well as a few plays that I want to talk to you about. Let's get to it. I'm kicking this one off with Fuel Cell, ticker symbol FCEL. Guys, this is a play we have hit damn near grand slams in already. And so I hope for those of you that's been in this with us since 776, I hope this has treated you well. For those of you that were in it with us at 10 and hit the home run, again, I hope this has treated you well. But those of you that have, again, on the way down from when it hit 29 range, $30 range, back down to 15, I hope that you are in this play and are now looking for what's your next move. I'm here to add guidance on that today, so stick with me on this one. Currently, we're sitting at 200 shares. Always look at an average cost. If you guys are following people out here, if they're even transparent and show you their plays, always look at their average cost. We're currently sitting at $10.10. Like I told you, we bought this at $7.76, hit a home run. I averaged up, bought some more at $10, and hit another home run multiple times in this play. But anyway, guys, we're sitting here at $10.10 average cost. It's currently sitting at 15. Due to the correction, I wanted to give some guidance on a new price target, okay? So for those of you that should have bought back in after you took profits on the home run, and when it came back down, the new entry price was around 15. The new price target on this, since the correction, will be around $20, okay? So for those of you that are not long-term investors like me, I hold these plays long-term, but for those of you that want the money, want to take your profits, please consider putting your trailing stop loss on this around $20 so that you can take profits, move on to one of our next home run plays, okay? Let's get ready to eat, guys. Next up is Curious, ticker symbol CRIS, currently sitting at 986, guys. I love these plays. These shouldn't be familiar to you, but in case you are new, these are the type of plays that I guarantee will double. So again, if you don't have them, I want you to consider these. Matter of fact, consider them on any major pullback. In the 9s, I like it, but if you can get 8 or 7, I like it too. For those of you that had this with us previously, you should have had your trailing stop loss on. For those of you that didn't, it's okay. Okay, listen to this closely. If you didn't get kicked out of this with your trailing stop loss on, you now have one thing I need you to do. If you bought this higher than this, so if you got this at 12, 13, and this is going to be the same guidance for these other 3. If you got this at 12 or 13, however many shares you got, you need to sell half and buy it at this current price or below. To my VIP section, make sure that we reiterate that message in the comment section below. Again, we got the best family on YouTube for a reason. If you bought these high and they were hit due to the correction, the new guidance on this is to sell half of your position and now buy it, rebuy it at this price or below, okay? Next up, we have BNGO. Same thing. I got this at 10. I got this at $13. It is currently sitting at 880. If you didn't have your trailing stop loss on, then you weren't kicked out of this play like you should have been. That's neither here nor there. This was also a swing trade for those of you that may have got it depending on when you joined the journey. None of that matters. If you got this higher than where it's currently at, sell half of your shares and then buy that same amount at this price point or below. we about to get back to the money, guys. I need to teach you guys how to handle a correction when you didn't have the tools at your disposal activate to get you out of the play automatically. Next, we have nano dimensions. Again, guys, when I research a play on behalf of you all, I develop a strong conviction. I rarely miss in the stock market, and so it's easy for me to have an attachment to the plays that I recommend, because 9 times out of 10, every single one do exactly what I instruct you guys it will do. No different with this one, no different with BNGO, no different with fuel cell, no different with any of these plays. Listen, guys, if you got this high, $10, $11, $12, or $13, sell half of your shares and rebuy that same amount at $9, under $10. Okay, so catch it in the 9s for me, or the 8s, or the 7. Today was a good day, but in case tomorrow pulls back, I want you guys to be ready, looking for the best entry price to get these at. We need to recalibrate. The correction messed up what our original play was, but no worries, that doesn't change anything. Nothing changes with our play. They're still going to double up. They're still going to all be home runs. This is how we're going to dominate on the 2100K challenge. Make sure you do what was instructed in this, guys, and let's get ready to eat. Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is timely entries. Listen, guys, class is in session. I'm bringing out the charts for this one, because to my new and beginning investors, I'm the guy that's going to teach you the whole game. I'm the type of person that wants you to know every aspect of the stock market. I don't want you to just fall in love with hitting the home run. I want you to know how and why we hit the home run. Today, it's all about timely entry prices, and we got a lot of them thanks to the correction. Once you guys learn to embrace what a correction truly is and what it means versus feeling like you lost half of your position, all of that stuff will come right back. However, it's an opportunity for what's called timely entries in the stock market, and these will allow you to buy low, sell high if you want to, but more importantly, buy low and hold if you like me, which helps you build your wealth, lead a corporate plantation, and make a massive amount of money. Listen, guys, look at the chart closely as it relates to where to buy. We can never time when a bottom will hit. However, I always try to, at least with me, give you price targets so that you can at least have a roundabout feel. And then if it goes lower, that's a beautiful thing. You buy more as it goes lower, because we never know where the full bottom will be. However, we always know with certainty that all stocks go back up. Okay, so this is what a timely entry is. Next video, I'm gonna talk to you about what a timely exit is, so that you can know, look forward to these. I told you, we're gonna have 2 more of these corrections throughout the remainder of this year. Can't time the date specifically. I'm thinking, or at least historically, it happens around September. Sometimes we get one in June, if not maybe November. However, I don't care when it comes. I want you to be prepared for it, and I want you to look forward to it, because for true investors, this is really the only time we can go shopping. Listen, guys, I hope that was helpful. Up next, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from DK Takeover. Hey, Chris, does your price target for plays like APXT and Tattoo Chef change? DK Takeover, this is an excellent question, man. I'm glad you asked this question, because it ties in on just what I taught about today earlier in this video. Okay, guys, absolutely, guys. Whenever play is introduced, okay, I've done the research. I have got my thoughts around where this play can go, what entry point we need to get into that, okay? And so minus a correction, when that stuff isn't on the horizon, for instance, when you could buy a play, you may say we're gonna buy fuel cell at 10 and guys, it's gonna hit 30, okay? But say a correction happened in that. It didn't happen when that happened. We did do it just that. However, but say a correction hit. We bought fuel cell at 10. We were thinking it was gonna hit 30. A correction happened around 20. And now fuel cell is back down to $7 where we got it, $7.76. The price target does change. So fuel cell will then have a price target of maybe 15 versus $30, okay? Because once a stock gets hit, it takes a little more energy for it to climb back up to where it was. And so with that being the case, and because they may not be a long-term play, the price target is then reduced. And that's what I want to do for you today, to show you plays that we already were in, give guidance on a new price target for where they will go once you guys make the adjustment in your portfolio, rebuy, and let them ride back up. So yes, price target changes if a correction or a crash hits it, okay? That is facts. Listen guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.